It's gonna be awesome.
We didn't have any expectations driving into North Carolina for the first time.
Having 5 kids, it's hard to get away and have time to ourselves.
So pretty. Isn't that gorgeous?
Seeing my first waterfall was overwhelmingly awesome. It was just that wow moment to walk up to something that beautiful and powerful is an experience that everyone should find sometime in their life.
Your face was priceless.
Everything's been so well kept. Like the trails and stuff, you can tell they really take pride here.
Honey, come look.
That's so cool.
There are so many places to just pull off the side of the road and go explore and adventure and learn and experience something that you hadn't before. I didn't know you could slide down waterfalls. That was cool. This naturally formed slide.
Your blood's pumping.
Feeling the push of the water.
And we're doing it together, so it was even better.
There was an adventure every moment, around every corner, around every turn. Rappelling down a waterfall for the first time was beyond my wildest dreams. I am actually really incredibly afraid of heights. My heart was racing, I was shaky. Can't change your mind now. Having him right there the whole time watching. It was neat, and having each other every step of the way.
She did amazing. Watching her to overcome her fear, that made me feel just as good as the experience.
That was so great.
This doesn't happen. Like, we didn't even know this type of stuff is possible.
This was the first time that we came first, and we've never really done that before.